Unlock the secret to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management, keep your account safe, and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into LastPass.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Enhancing your security with LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortless online security. So first of all you have to do is just click over here, get LastPass free. You choose between business or personal. About business, we have it designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to enterprise. You click over try business free, and then you will find this page. Here we have start your free 14 days trial of LastPass business. You have just to write your full name, your work email, you have phone, company name, job title, then we have organization size. As you can see, choose this one or this one, and then you click over start my free 14-day trial. Then we have the second one, which is personal. Premium mail to device, password management, and sharing for one person. We have here try personal free. You click over it and you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and your master password. So the password have respects their minimum requirements. For example, strength meter at maximum, at least 12 characters long, at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one special character. And we have here not your email. So we have here also to confirm your master password. You have just to confirm the same master password. Then we have reminder here, and you click over sign up. It's free. Once you do that, you will find this page. Your account has been successfully created, and we have you welcome to LastPass. Install the browser extension, then log in using the account you've just created. If you want to ask something here, you have just to talk with LastPass assistant. Then you have just to go to your Gmail and you will find the email sent by LastPass. So we have a welcome to LastPass. Your digital life just got easier and more secure. Here are the login credentials to access your account. Then you have your login to LastPass. You have just to click over it, or you can here read these types for getting started. We have the first one, which is LastPass to web browser. This lets you save and fill password automatically. Then we have here our passwords to evolve. Let LastPass to do the remembering. You will have to autofill on your favorite websites. Let LastPass fill in all your passwords. As you can see, once you click over log into LastPass, you will find this page. Then you have just to write your email address and your master password. Then you click over login about this page. Then you will find this page as you can see. So after signing up for LastPass, quickly boost your security by importing existing passwords from your browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique passwords for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy autofiling. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your account safe. So I will show you how you can get started. We have your welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here. We have your password, payment card, driver's license, and we have your save it to vault stores it. So here we have the first step, which is add your first password. Every great LastPass journey begins with a single password, right? So if I click over it, you will find here password as you can see, or secure node, address, payment card, and we have bank account. So about the first one, we have a URL, and we have the name, the folder, and we have the username, the site password, and we have the notes also. Then you click over save, and we have the second one, which is secure note. You have to write the name, the folder, and you have to write the note here, and you click over save once you do that. Then we have here also the address. You write the name here, the folder, the title. Then we have the first name, the middle name, the last name, the username, the gender. Then we have the birthday and the company, the first address, the second address, the third address, the city and town, country, and we have state, zip code, country, time zone, email address, the phone, even phone, mobile phone, fax, and notes. Then you click over save. That's it for the address, email. Then we have fourth one, which is payment card. About this one, we have the name and the folder. Then you have also to write the name of card, the type, the number, the security code, start date, expiration date, and the notes. Then you click over save. Also, we have the last one, which is bank account. About this one, we have here the name, the folder, bank name, the account type. You can just link this information, the routing number, account number, swift code, IBAN number, PIN, and we have here branch address, branch phones, and we have notes. So that's it. Then we have import your existing password, save time, import your password from another service, and we have here add LastPass extension to your browser. This lets you save and then fail password automatically. About this one, you have just to download the application, and that's it. Then here you can just choose other options like we have Chrome and other things. So in the password you will find it here, the notes you'll find it here if you already add something, and also address you will find it, and if you want to add something you click over here, and we have also here payment card, bank account, and also other options like security dashboard, emergency access, account settings, and we have advanced options and help here if you want something. So this is how it works. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and auto-filing your passwords, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgotten login details. With its user-friendly features and strong encryption, LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So this is how it works with LastPass.com, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.